from it all. Let's take a trip in a trailer.
Hello.
Hello.
No need to come back.
Oh, the CatAly cooking show. We're very busy tonight. Making vegetable Italian sauce.
Okay, so you gotta shred the carrots.
Give them the details.
No, not shred them. Peel. What? Yeah, peel them. Yeah, you gotta peel the carrots.
Start drizzling while you turn that heat on. Get it sizzling. Ooh, I don't have any flame. There we go. There we go. Got the flame now. Okay. A little bit of more.
And after you shred the carrots, you gotta, well, you're supposed to be cooking. And then after you do,
Careful with your fingers.
I'm cutting carrots. What does it look like? Eat the onion, Dee.
Scraping in the the vegetal. So we're putting in some celery, 2 carrots, 3 stalks of celery, as much onion as you like. You can never have enough onion. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. We've added the garlic. Catalina's now stirring in the garlic. We added in 3 cloves, but you know, with the sauce, with how much tomato you're gonna add, you really need more than 3 cloves. So we're gonna double that and go to 6. See the garlic? It's minced. We've minced it.
So you like garlic?
I didn't say garlic. I said garlic.
No, you didn't, and you know it. You're just saying that.
I did not say garlic. We've added 6 cloves of garlic instead of 3. This is actually called the throw it everything in the sauce
Yeah.
pot.
In the bag.
Throw everything in the pot sauce. Right? Everything we have in the fridge, just throw it in.
Yeah. Just
Any kind of vegetable that sounds halfway decent, just throw it in there. Just get it in.
yeah.
Eat it. Cook it. Feed it. Wash it. Clean it. Chop it. Peel it. Slice it. Dice it.
Yeah, we get it.
Chew it. Okay, come take a look. Take a view at this beautiful beginning.
And it's all my
This
doings.
is just the beginning, okay? This is what we call the base. All right? Now, Catalina, here's what I need you to add to the base. What are we using tonight, Catalina? Can you read this for our audience?
Italian seasonings, organic.
McCormick's Organic. Great stuff. High quality. Can't go wrong. This is the flavor you want it on. Okay, go ahead. Get that. Start putting that in there. Another product I love, Herbamare. The stuff comes out of Switzerland. Devient au Suisse. And it is excellent. It's herbed sea salt. Has a bunch of herbs in it. So you get your sodium. La prochaine chose, peut-être un peu de garlic. Okay, so we'll add a touch more. Why not? You can't have enough. Just put a little in there. What else? Another product I happen to love, but we already salted, so I probably won't add as much of this. But I do have the pepper version. Another excellent flavor. Okay. If you don't have the Italian seasoning, okay, this is Crazy Jane's original mixed up pepper. If you don't have the Italian seasoning, it consists of oregano, marjoram.
Oh, Dad, do you like my cupcakes?
I never know how to pronounce that one correctly. Thyme,
Best ones I've
rosemary,
ever
savory, oregano, and basil.
Right now, we are cutting the tomatoes. You can do big tomatoes or little tomatoes, right?
That's exactly correct.
Okay. And then, but right now we decided to do the little tomatoes, and because it's the only ones we have. But all you need to do is cut them in half, and you're
And then
good.
you're good to go.
And then you just throw them in the pot.
That's exactly right. Next, we're gonna add some diced tomatoes and things of that nature.
Oh yeah, the diced tomatoes are really good. Oh, right. Another thing that we'll have to do sometime is teach them how to make homemade tomato soup. It's so good. Homemade tomato soup requires diced tomatoes, and boy, it tastes good. I mean, you could just stew the diced tomatoes with a few seasonings, and then it would be delicious. Daddy, that would be delicious. This is a cooking show, not a dog show.
Thank you, Caroline.
Yeah.
I'm on target. Okay, next, the trifecta. Okay? Crushed.
Tomatoes, sauce, no salt,
Sauce. Diced.
and then
Throw 'em
the
in.
huge.
Open. Pour. Open and do this one, okay?
Only sauce.
Third can, crushed tomatoes. Oops. Now, my husband taught me this amazing trick where if you clean up as you go, you rinse the dishes as you go in the mess. Saves you a lot of time later on, right, Tommy? Her work of art.
Our work of
Our. Okay, keep going. We want to really get that simmering. Every sauce, no, truly, every sauce needs a sweetener. I normally, historically, I've
Should
added
we do
sugar.
the powder or the syrup?
Don't do sugar. Do maple syrup. It brings a darker taste with a subtle sweetness. Here's my maple syrup. Just put a little in. Okay. It's gonna sweeten it up. It's gonna give it that.
Don't do artificial maple syrup.
Here's my little trick. You know how you open a can of spaghetti sauce, never use the whole thing up, and it's stuck in the back of your fridge, and it's such a pain. Well, because you don't want it to go to waste. And then you do something silly like make homemade sauce instead of use the jar, because this is way better. So what do?
You
Never
add it,
waste.
okay?
Okay, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We add it. It just adds to the flavor, and
to
now
the
you're not
point.
wasting your sauce. Get to the point. I like it.
Hello. Again, right now you need to add fresh.
So you're stripping the thyme stalks with your fingers. In the meantime, it's about time now to turn on the water for the pasta. Get that boiling.
How did the final product turn out?
Wunderbar. Well, let me take my first bite.